So we're waiting to pour the wrapping porch. That's going to happen this coming Friday. So in the meantime, we're going to get into putting these outriggers on the trusses. These basically create our overhang, our eave. So this gets mounted, the truss flange underneath here. It gets purlin screwed in here and picks up that edge. This catches the bottom edge of the wood or the sheathing coming up. We'll screw into that, and then out on this front face it gets another stud screwed to this and a piece of track that caps it, and that creates our overhang. Since the bolts for this are back up in here, it's on the inside of the house, so we can kind of work on this from the inside of the house until we get our wrapping porch so we can drive the lift around on the outside. So let's get to it.